guys, welcome to my channel. I'm not in any hiking gear today, I'm on holiday and I'm in Paphos. And I've come across this place called Fabrika Hill Caves. So I'm going to go and check it out. I don't know much about it, but I'll do a bit of research and I'll add it into the video. Okay, so straight away you hit with a large opening. I think we'll go along this way first and check this out. There is an opening over there as well. But yeah, we'll go this way. Okay, so there's steps that go up here, and there's also a little path that goes in here as well. I think we'll check this out. Okay, so I've just come from there. There's steps up that way, but we've got another opening here. And under here as well. So this looks like it takes us outside, so we'll go and check this out and then we can always come back in. Okay, so we're going to have a look in the one next to it. This bit over here in this section looks like it's been carved out like a fireplace or something. But who knows? Anyway, let's go back into there. In fact, no, go up here because you can actually get up onto the top. So let's go and have a look. I think this looks down onto the main chamber that we were in before. I'll be honest with you, it's not as good on top of here, so we're going to go back down. And there's some steps just here. So we'll check these out. Okay, so we're back at the point where we came through that small little section there. And then we went through there, but this time we're going to go through here. We've just come down these steps. We're going to make our way through here and see what's about. We need to go through there now, but before we do that, it's in this gap in the wall. What that is up there. Anyway, let's carry on down this way. Okay, so that I thought led to the main chamber actually doesn't, it's just above here. Anyway, we're kind of at a dead end now, so we'll head back this way. The main chamber is actually down there. We'll go and see what's outside this way and up the hill. Right, I've actually come to a bit that's gated, or should I say fenced off, and there's a gap in the fence, so let's go and have a quick check, see what's in here. to be fair, this one looks like it's being used by a homeless person. Got like a makeshift bed there. There's human poo there. So let's make our way over here. Down to this one. Okay, so there's two tunnels, well I say tunnels, two openings. This is the first opening. See what's down here. Oh Jesus, that's some drop. Won't go much further with that, and then there's this one here, which we'll walk around to now. Okay, and here's the other one. Let's go down and have a look. Something's been living in here because there's more poo. More there. Cool caves though. Let's have a look in here. Just a drinks container. So yeah, that's this section. Anyway, we'll get out of here and then we'll make our way a bit further up the hill. I think there's more to these caves, so let's go and check them out. Okay, so we're back on top of the caves now, it looks of it. Just gonna go and have a quick look over here. We came from down there. Let's go and see what's over here. So yeah, there's nothing really up here. Got a bit of rubbish, a few ruins here. Got some beautiful views over there though of like the town. Anyway, what we're going to do is we're going to go down there and see what that fence is all about over there. Okay, so we've come to this fence and there's some mad cactuses growing down here. Okay, so we're at the section that's all gated off and fenced off. So it doesn't really lead to much, but there is something over there, some information. So we'll go check that out. So I've just had a look where the giant cactus is, and it does look like you can get down, but there's actually a massive like cave as well. Hold on, look at this. Anyway, yeah, so you can get down. So we're going to go and have a look. Look at this cave over here. Yeah, let's go and have a look. You can get down. Okay, so I'm down with the giant cactus, and this is what we've come to at the end. So you've got all this above. It's pretty cool. And then looks like this. It's mad because all the walls are like this as well. Weird place, but cool. Alright, anyway, let's get back to the top where the gated fence is. Just fruits here as well. Never tried one of these. Okay, so we're back here. And there's a path down here, so I think we should just go and check this out. Okay, so we're down here now, and it looks like we're going to need the torch, so I'm going to head in this way. We're going to get the torch ready. Okay, so let's go check the next one. There's a gap here, let's go under there. It's a bit weird that you're seeing loads of clothes. Shoes. Ah, that takes you up to the gated bit. This section of the cave system really made me feel uneasy. There were lots of like clothes that I found on the floor. They looked like women's shorts. There were shoes, there were underwear. So yeah, I felt a bit uneasy in this section. I wonder what this were years ago, and it'd be like hundreds if not thousands of years ago. Wow, it goes deeper still. We'll go and check that out now. We'll just see what's about here. Let's go and have a look. Window here, that looks a bit. Big spider web. Anyway, let's go and have a look the other way. Yeah, let's go down there and have a look. Tell you what, it's boiling down here. Right, let's head on down here. It's a bit tight here. Oh wow, more clothes. Jesus. Okay, so we're in another big opening. And even more over there. Let's go and check it out. Right, so follow the path up here. Not much of a path actually, but you can get through, but it'd probably be best to go back the other way and get out that way. So yeah, we'll do that. Let's go and check these out. Ah, and there's steps in this one. Let's have a look under here. Oh, that's just, that actually looks like a tomb. Let's have a look around here. And up these steps, let's go and have a look. Okay, so we're back on top. So I'm going to head back now to the way that we originally came, which is that way over there. Alright. And that was the way we came. Just to let you know, these steps here actually lead to the top again. Okay, so we're now in the main entrance. The main opening of the caves. Absolutely stunning place. Oh, did we check this way? Let's just go and have a look. To be fair, there's nothing really out here, it's just a path that takes you down to the road, just there, and you've got these here. There's nothing really left to explore, so yeah, we'll head back. This actually looked like it used to be carved into like a man or something. That's what I think, anyway. Anyway, that's it. So yeah, sorted. So yeah, thank you for watching my video. I really hope you enjoyed it, because I know I did. So yeah, cheers, thank you.